how beautiful the covers are. These two books are from a trilogy, Mason's trilogy. I have read first one. These two books are not done yet. This trilogy was authored by Sri Kaushik Majumdar, not Nisu Majumdar. A story of this trilogy revolving around the story of Priyonath Mukhopadhyay and unraveling one case which he wrote in his diary, but some pages from his diary were found. At last but not least, Priyonath Mukherjee, and this character is not imaginary at all. He existed and wrote a popular detective series named Darogar Dottor.